In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a message on Textfree. Begin by launching the Textfree application on your device. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to log in to your Textfree account. Navigate to the list of chats or conversations where the message you want to delete is located. Tap on the specific conversation that contains the message you wish to remove, and then scroll the conversation until you locate the message you want to delete. For Android, long press on the message until additional options appear, and for iOS, swipe left on the message to reveal the delete option. Tap on the delete option when prompted to confirm the deletion message. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a message on Textfree. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.